Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your study abroad experience with education first step by step clearly. Step 1. Research your destination to understand its culture and academic strengths. Step 2. Explore education first study abroad programs that match your academic goals. Step 3. Reach out to education first for personalized guidance and program details. Step 4. Evaluate the course offerings to find subjects that align with your interests. Step 5. Consider living arrangements by reviewing the host family or student. Step 6. Prepare essential documents such as your passport, visa, and any necessary academic records. Step 7. Attend pre-departure orientations offered by Education First to familiarize yourself with the program. Step 8. Create an essential packing list, focusing on clothing appropriate for the climate. Step 9. Stay connected with fellow students who are also participating in the program for support. Step 10. Set personal goals for what you want to achieve during your study abroad experience. Step 11. Immerse yourself in the local community upon arrival through cultural events and activities. Step 12. Take advantage of language courses or workshops to enhance your communication skills. Step 13. Participate actively in class discussions to make the most of your educational opportunities. Step 14. Utilize the resources provided by Education First, such as academic support and counseling services. Step 15. Document your experiences through journaling or blogging to reflect on your journey. Step 16. Build a network of international friends and contacts for future opportunities. Step 17. Share your experiences and insights with others to inspire future study abroad students. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.